Alrighty. This is a question I'm answering for my dad. Said that want to build a segment of a circle where at the bottom it's 15 foot 4 inches, and in the middle it's 10 inches tall. And in order to build this, at least the impression I get is really what he wants to know is the radius of the circle. All right. So that's not too hard. It requires a little bit of algebra, but not too bad. So first thing I'm going to do is just change that to inches, just so it's all the same thing. So that's 184 inches. And the part we're really going to work with is only the half of it. So this length right there is 92 inches. All right, let me redraw the picture just one more time. So this is 92, this is 10. The question is, what is this radius right here? Well, really the only thing you have to notice is that this length right here is also the radius, and so this one is r minus 10 from, if I just look at that little right triangle. And remember, for right triangle, if you square the two small ones and add them together, you get the square of the big one. It's that Pythagorean theorem thing. So 92 squared plus r minus 10 squared is r squared. All right, which 92 squared is 8464. For this guy, you write them out r minus 10, and do FOIL. So this is r squared, whoops, not equals, plus r squared. R minus 10 is minus 10r, and minus another 10r. Minus 10 is plus 100, equals r squared. I can subtract r squared from both sides. Those just straight up go away. So that's nice. So what I got left, 8464 and 100 is 8564 minus 20r, if I put these two together, is 0. So move that guy over, divide by 20. R would be 8564 over 20, which is plus 100 divided by 20. So 428.2 inches should be the radius of the thing. All right. At least my impressions, that's what you were wanting to know. Let me go ahead and do one more thing while I'm at it, just in case you're curious. If you wanted to know the angle right there, well, half of it's this guy here. We now know this R is 428 8.2. So if you wanted to find that angle, you could just do you've got the hypotenuse and the opposite side, so you can just do the sine. So sine of that angle is 92 over 428.2. So they'd be just do inverse sine of that. So 1 over that times 92 and inverse sine. So that's a 12.4 degree angle. So if you look at the big one, if you're wondering just what that angle is, it's double that. So 24.8, or basically you got a 25 degree angle. All right. So hopefully that'll help you know how to build it. And well, that's the math part of it. I'm sure if you want to actually know how to build it, that's more of a question for Dad. But anyway, that's the radius of the circle you're looking for.